亲爱的师父与无上师电视台团队，我与纯素猫咪族人宝拉，从2024年8月起，每月进行1至2次的咨询。过程中，我会陪伴宝拉一起祈请上帝的疗愈圣光。宝拉的妈妈持蛋奶素20余年，也在学习动物族人沟通之后，转为纯素。2025年4月，宝拉认真严肃地说 I want to be free。 我没有转述，而是请宝拉妈妈亲自倾听宝拉的心声。在宝拉妈妈听到宝拉的渴望后，我简单又慎重地跟她分享了青海无上师是在世名师的重要资讯。若想帮助毛孩宝贝，请考虑印心，并建议他播放无上师电视台，帮助毛孩蒙受上帝恩典加持。我只跟他提过一次，没有说太多，但上帝无量的爱与加持力带来了神迹。2025 7月的咨询里，宝拉专注地练习与上帝连结时说，妈妈再不印心，我要自己印心。我本没打算跟宝拉妈妈说，因为印心需有发自灵魂的渴望，缘分强迫不来。但宝拉妈妈却在结束后跟我说，昨天宝拉要求看师父最有力量的每日祈祷文，我看到她的眉心轮有一条线跟师父连结耶。而且这2个月宝拉一直问我为什么还不印心，我想多了解印心的事情。就这样，宝拉妈妈开始阅读即刻开悟之要宝拉的故事，也提醒我拥有人生很宝贵，即使动物族人如此诚心渴求，却只能依靠人类，很令人心疼。9岁的宝拉从一开始害羞没自信的懵懂状态，到现在敢于表达想法需求，以及能接受别人赞美的坦然，见证了动物族人认识上帝的爱后改变觉醒的动人故事。上帝无尽的爱让渴望回家的灵魂，无论处在人生还是动物族人生里，都终将被唤醒。弟子每天感谢上帝师父、动物族人因您无分别的爱力，而能展现灵魂的智慧与美丽，更有机会了脱生死。I love you so much。 感谢合一的3位至大能者慈悲爱护，祝福更多动物族人、众生万物能在这特殊时期一起提升回家。台湾或福尔摩沙，弟子子怡敬上。
Kind Zhu Ai, your heartline has brought tears to our eyes as we recognize the deep sincerity and wisdom of Paula and the love that her mother has for her. God provides remarkable miracles, as does our master. Thank you so much for your note. May you and the exemplary Taiwanese or Formosan people be blessed with loving and joyful lives. Supreme Master TV Team. P.S. Here is a loving reply for you from Master. Charming Zhu Ai, a cat person's longing for God has brought her human mother to be spiritually awakened. This is a profound reminder that our animal brothers and sisters are intelligent souls who have their own paths and their own wisdom. It is also a joyful and important example of all that animal people selflessly do for human beings. May you and delightful Taiwan or Formosa be eternally blessed by heavens with peace. Love and big hugs to you, Paula, and her human mother.
Vegan, because we want ourselves and children to be healthy